What if I told you some of the most incredible things on Earth weren't shaped by nature, but by human imagination, math, and a ridiculous amount of courage? From bridges that seem to float in the sky to machines so massive they changed entire regions, engineering marvels prove one thing. When humans decide something is impossible, someone eventually builds it. Today, we're counting down the top 5 engineering marvels around the world. And if you enjoy videos that make you see the world differently, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more amazing stories. Number 5. The Burj Khalifa in Dubai. Standing over 828 meters tall, the Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world. And it's not just tall for the sake of being tall. Engineers had to design it to handle extreme desert heat, powerful winds, and the pressure of supporting an entire vertical city. Its unique Y-shaped structure helps reduce wind forces, making it both beautiful and incredibly stable. Number 4. The Panama Canal. Before the canal, ships had to travel thousands of extra miles around South America. This massive waterway changed global trade forever by connecting the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. The real genius is in its lock system, which raises and lowers giant ships across different water levels like an elevator for the sea. Built through jungle, disease, and brutal conditions, it remains one of the most important engineering achievements in history. Number 3. The Millau Viaduct in France. This bridge looks almost unreal, stretching across the Tarn Valley like something from the future. It is one of the tallest bridges in the world, with towers rising higher than the Eiffel Tower. But the most impressive part is how elegant it feels. Instead of fighting the landscape, it seems to glide through it. It solved a major traffic problem while becoming a masterpiece of design. Number 2. The International Space Station. Orbiting Earth at incredible speed, the ISS is not just a structure, it's a floating laboratory built by multiple nations in space. Piece by piece, astronauts and engineers assembled it above our planet, creating one of the most complex machines ever made. It shows what humanity can achieve when science, cooperation, and ambition come together. Number 1. The Great Wall of China. Stretching thousands of miles across mountains, deserts, and plains, the Great Wall is one of the greatest construction projects ever attempted. Built over centuries, it required enormous planning, labor, and determination. It's more than a wall, it's a symbol of human persistence on a scale that still feels impossible. Which engineering marvel amazes you the most? Let me know in the comments.